Guruji, my question is when even close relationships like one's own life partner turn out to be deceptive, as we recently saw in the Sonam and Raju Raghuvanshi case, how can we ever trust the relationships again? Because these days, when we think about marriages, the fear and distrust begin to settle in our heart also. In such time, please guide us.
Vanshita, Sonam Raghuvanshi and Raja Raghuvanshi case is a case of wrongful marriage and brutal act of murder. You see, Sonam was pressurized for marriage by her parents against her wishes, despite the fact that there was an ongoing affair with another boy. And ultimately, when they went on a honeymoon trip to Meghalaya, she conspired the murder of her husband with Raju Kuswaha and some of his friends. No doubt, when such close relationships experience a state of betrayal, your faith can be shaken, your trust in relationship can be broken. But at the same time, you must never forget that all relations are not the same. Actions of one person cannot define everybody. What I mean to say, there are still great majority of people in the world who are genuinely trustworthy. And moreover, I have to tell you that trust is an intrinsic quality. If you are filled with love, if you are filled with joy, if you are filled with peace, trust will arise as a natural byproduct of your own being. It is the highest form of love. If love is the circumference, I will like to tell you that it is at the center, at the core of love. So, don't allow your trust to be taken away by such incidents like the one that of Sonam and Raja Raghuvanshi. We must only reflect and learn from such incidents. The whole story of Sonam and Raja Raghuvanshi highlights that forced marriages should be avoided at any cost. The role of mutual consent in marriage is mandatory. There should be free and frank discussion between the parents and the child as well as between both the life partners. And ultimately, I would like to say that no marriages on this earth should be solemnized if there is no love between the life partners. No love, no marriage should be the rule for the whole planet.